In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Discord account on mobile. So you can basically create a Discord account on your Android or iOS, whatever you have. But you have to create a Discord account on official website of Discord. And then you can download a Discord app for your Android or iOS, and then you can log in there easily. So you have to create a Discord account on official website of Discord. So to create a Discord account upon any browser that you have, and then type Discord and click search. Now you can see this is the official website or Discord, so click on here. So right now we are in the official website of Discord, and then you have to make your browser to desktop site. So whatever browser you use, there will be an option called desktop site on that browser. So as I am using Opera browser, I have to click this three dot icon and then click on this desktop site. Now click on Discord in your browser. Now here it asks you to put a username. So let me enter my username. So after creating your username, click on here. Now it asks you to enter your date of birth. So let me do this real quick. After putting your date of birth, click done. Now it asks you to create your Discord server. So you can create your own Discord server, or also you can start from these templates. So I'm gonna click on create my own Discord. Now you can upload your Discord server photo here by clicking the plus icon. So let me do this real quick. Now also you can change your Discord server name here. So after changing your Discord server name, click on create. Now choose a topic of your group. So for example, if my topic is climbing, then I have to put climbing here. So after choosing your topic, click on take me to my server. Now it says claim your account, so you have to put your email first and then you have to create password. So let me do this real quick. So after putting your email, create a strong password. Now after creating your password, click on create account. Now Discord will send you a email confirmation link to your email. So for now, click on this cross icon. Now you have to go to your Gmail and you have to confirm your account. So let me do this real quick. So basically Discord will send you an email confirmation message like this, and then you have to click here verify. And like this your email will be verified. Now let's go back to Discord account. So after confirming your email on Discord, refresh the page. So this is how you can create a Discord account on mobile, Android or iOS. And also you can download a Discord app for your Android or iOS and you can log in easily there. So if you found this video is helpful, then hit the like button and also subscribe button. I will make more videos like this. So thanks for watching.